Let's see what happens. Come on, bring me back in some kind of way that brings my spirit up, because I was about to walk out of here. Let's go, baby. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh. Alright, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, but it's got the word super in it. Come on, new machine, new money. Do something. Let's play. Let's play, let's play, let's play. New machine, new money. Keep that saying alive. I don't even need a hand pad. I just want to come out ahead of what I put in here. I've never played this machine on my own, so I don't know what any of this means. Well, so far, not so good. If it does all these fucking bells and whistles for $50, I'm gonna be upset. Come on. Oh. Come on. Let's go. How many spins does this thing have on the feature? Come on, brother. Alright, I got 3 more spins. I don't know what any of this fucking means, brother. None of it. Alright, let's go. We got some hats. I think that's good. All right. 3 spins remaining. Let's go. Oh. Come on. 1 spin. This is the last spin. Come on. What does that do? Give me another game. Give me another game. One spin, last spin. Gimme. Oh, give me another spin. Alright, I don't know. Bam, last spin. Come on. I don't know, is this good? It looks like a lot. Is that the mansion? Come on, baby, Huff and Puff. Come on. Give me something good. Alright. Come on, something good. Give me it. Oh, the mini's only 50, but let's see. I think this is gonna add up. Let's see. Ooh, alright, I'm over $1,000 bucks. I'm gonna do these backup spins. That ain't bad, dude. I came in with 400, I'm at $1,000 bucks after getting dusted. Alright, let's see. Backup spins. Give me something else. Backup spins, baby. I'm going to 1,000. I'm pulling out of the 1,000. Come on. Ooh. Alright, gotta keep an eye on that. I'll get carried away and just keep pulling it. Let's go.